Hello everyone, I'm here near the junction of California 9 and California 8 to show you a very interesting thing. I found a working payphone. You can see I'm parked over here in this parking lot for hiking trail. There's my car over there. And over here I have a working payphone. So let me go ahead and show you. Here we have the payphone. You can see here we're right by the Santa Cruz County line. The Santa Cruz County line is right there, you can see. There's a sign that says fireworks are illegal. And the road left to right, I believe that's California 35. And then the road ahead and back, that's California 9. So you can see here's the payphone. It's actually in pretty good condition. And I don't think you can hear it, but there is a dial tone for it. I think that's the phone number. Let me try calling the payphone.